Hello guys, it's Crimson Davey here. Here's my build. I've been ignoring it because it's so damn awesome. That's my first build, and I think I did a pretty good job. And you see the GTX 660, my processor, my hard drive, SSD down there, light of fans. This is pretty much a beast, guys. I'm going to be punching out gameplays. I'll be doing all this crap. I just really want to be active. This computer is going to make it happen. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. I will be uploading videos as fast as possible. will try to, because I haven't gotten any good gameplays, and I really want to. And I might just put some gameplays up just for the heck of it, just because I can. And this is a fast-ass computer. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.